everyone. So I have a new palette from Colourpop that I wanted to do a look with today, and that is their Sweet Talk palette. And this palette is so pretty and unique. I got this yesterday, and here is the colors inside the palette. I just love the whole theme of this palette, and I really love the way peaches and different kinds of rosy shades make my eyes pop. So I am going to go ahead and get started, and I am definitely going to be playing with Prima Drama today, which is this gorgeous glitter, pressed glitter here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have no other face makeup on, and to save time during this video, I'm not even going to put on the face makeup during this video. I'll just get the eye look done, and then I'll come back with the rest of my face done. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my, I have a mirror in front of me because the palette doesn't have a mirror. I'm going to apply my eyeshadow primer. And I'm just using the Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm going to go ahead and go in with Catch Me, which is this light pinky shade right here. And I'm going to apply that in my crease. And I'm just going to apply this here and up onto my Alright, so next with the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and go into, I think I'm going to go into Meadow, which is this coral shade right here. And I'm going to go just below where I was and work that just a little bit here and up. Very coral shade. And don't worry about if it's going to be super messy looking, because we're going to blend this out, and also we're going to be going over with that beautiful glitter, pressed glitter that is in there, and we'll be deepening out the outer portion as well. So now I'm just going to get a fluffy brush and kind of blend over all of this, just to make sure everything looks nice and seamless. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead and go into, we're going to go into Feel Free, which is this really deep color right here, kind of like a burgundy color. And again, I think I'm going to go, no, I think I'm going to go with a more precise brush, and I'm just going to place this right here and work it up into there, swirling it a little bit on the outer portion of my lid. It's kind of getting patchy, and that may be because of how I did my primer. Yeah, it's getting really patchy. You can see that. I'm gonna have to go crazy blending this. I'm just gonna blend over it with that same brush I used earlier. Okay, we're gonna try and make that work. I'm gonna go ahead and go in the other eye with that shade. I really feel like my camera is not capturing the vibrancy of these colors. Alright, so I've got that in both of my eyes on the crease, and I'll have to do probably a little bit more blending But I want to go ahead and get into the beautiful shade Prima Drama, which is this beautiful pressed glitter. And it's kind of like a duochrome, so I'm actually going to use this paint, this Color Tattoo in Too Cool from Maybelline, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I'm going to actually use that to cut my crease, and it's just a really pretty pearly white. And I'm going to try to find me a firm brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this paint pot to my lid and up into here and fade it into the dark color, and then we're going to put that duochrome shadow just all over. So now for the fun part, I'm going to actually use my finger for this shade. And this is going to be interesting to see how this turns out. I'm going to get some on my finger and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that on my finger, but I'm going to load my finger up with this. I put a lot on there. And we're going to see what happens. Hopefully you all can. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. And there is some fallout, but I'll have to brush that away. I'm going to add some more. Just wonder if a wet brush would be a lot better. I really soaked it. And I got glitter all over my face. So we're going to go ahead and try this again, and hopefully this time we get a lot better. Color payoff with this glitter, pressed glitter. Yeah, I made my brush a bit too wet, but okay. I've got a lot on my brush. Alright, with this shade you want to make sure you have a glitter glue, and this part is clean my brush, so I'm going to try and brush some of these glitters away. And they're not going anywhere. Okay. Alright, so I got that done. I don't know if you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'll be right back, and then I'll have to blend over the edges to make sure it looks seamless. So I'll be right back for that. Alright, so I'm going to get close so you can see like what it looks like. I have glitter all on my eyelashes, under my lash line, and yeah. So I'm going to go clean up underneath, and then I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup, and then we'll deal with the under part of my eyes and my liner and everything. So I'll be right back with that. Alright, so I removed the glitter off my face, and it's going to be really funny. I used washi tape to get the excess glitter off before I applied my foundation, and I went ahead and done every other part of my makeup. All I have left to do is to do the lower lash line and my highlight on my upper brow bone and inner part of my eye. So I think I'm just going to go in with my little detailer brush from Real Techniques. Yeah. And I'm going to smudge, let me get the shade. I'm going to smudge, feel free, that burgundy shade. I'm just going to smudge that on my lower lash line, and then kind of go in the center with probably Meadow. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lower lash line very close, and I usually do not go very far in with my eyeshadow just because I have really round eyes and it just makes them look even more round. So okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and go in. I'm going to wipe off this brush, and I'm going to go in with the coral shade that I used in my other part of my okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna put my mascara on my lower lash line and some lipstick on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to show you all what I am dealing with right now with this glitter. So I'm going to get really close and maybe you'll see what I'm talking about. I have glitter all over under my eyes, and I actually have some in my other eye, like it's actually in my eyeball. So I was really initially excited about this palette because of the pressed glitters, and that was what really made me excited. The duochrome glitter that was in it, I was very excited about. It's gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but if you do not have a glitter glue or some type of super duper duper tacky base, you are going to have glitter in your eyes and underneath your eyes. Yeah, so maybe I should have waited with this tutorial. Actually, my lips are really dry, so I'm gonna put on some lipstick. I don't know where I put it. Oh, there it is. Alright, so if you do not have a glitter glue and you get this palette, I would definitely recommend getting a glitter glue. Like I do believe Walmart carries NYX, so NYX makes a glitter glue. Too Faced makes a glitter glue. You can get glitter glues pretty much tacky bases just about anywhere. I tried to use a Maybelline color tattoo for this and it just didn't work. So I had to get my brush wet and I really dug into the product. I feel like I lost a lot of the glitter digging into it, and I'm going to show you the divot that's in it. This actually has a major dip now. But I will go ahead and close my eyes and show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. And the glitter is gorgeous. I mean, I love it. But just gonna need a tacky base. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you if you got this palette and you're really disappointed with the glitters. You definitely need something tacky. But everything else performed great. The mattes performed great. At first, the dark ones seemed really patchy, but you just have to blend it like crazy to get it blended properly. But other than that, this palette's great, and I really like it. So make sure you keep it sealed tightly because it does have one Super Shock shadow. Super Shock shadow. Say that really fast. Which is side to side. That is a Super Shock shadow, and I haven't really played with it yet. I do want to play with it eventually. It's a really orange peach shade, and yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out if you got this palette. If you like videos like this, or if you like project panning or using up your makeup or anything like that, make sure to hit the subscribe button because that's what this channel's about. I'm not really a tutorial person. I just thought that I would share this with you all and let you all know my thoughts. But mainly my channel is about project pan and using up makeup and all that stuff. And yeah, so hit the subscribe button. If you liked this video, please give me a like. If you ordered this palette, let me know. If you have any suggestions on how to make that glitter stick better, let me know. Thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all soon.